AI Table Spaces, how to use AI Table AI. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about an incredible platform called AI Table. It's great for your CRM, and in this great CRM database platform, we're going to be talking about spaces, all right? And I'm going to be explaining to you on how spaces work with AI Table, how you can add as many spaces as you want, how you can create new spaces, delete new spaces, and leave new spaces. And we're going to be talking about it in great depth and detail, so let's get straight into the video. Now, to begin things off, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be coming over to our main workbench or dashboard that we have in AI Table, as you can see right here. Now, I have most of my tables set up, but let's say that I want to create more space in my account. I want to create more tables in my account. This is not just one table that I want. So, you could have more projects at one time. Like, let's say there's this one space that I've created for one project, maybe a software project that a client has given me on some type of fitness tracker app. Okay, this is what I have created for that. But I have 4 projects simultaneously at one time. So we won't just jam all of that in this space. What we're going to be doing is we're going to create a new space. Now, a maximum of 10 spaces can be created by an AI Table account, but you can be invited to get access of more than 10 spaces to collaborate with other users. So the space section can be seen over here. Okay, it shows you your joined spaces and my spaces. So this is the my space section, and this is clearly my space with my name, etc. Now, a new user will start with setting a space name after registering and logging in, and then the system will automatically create a space. Now, how can you create more spaces for yourself? So to create more space, you're going to come here and click on create a new space, and I'm going to call this one fitness tracker, because that could be the name of the project that you're working on. I'm going to click on OK. And once you click on OK, it's going to build you a brand new space where you can create new data sheets and add new templates. It's really simple. You're going to click the team's avatar and you can see all the spaces for which you're collaborators. So once you've created a new space, just click on create and you can start naming data sheets of however styles you want. Okay, so here's your data sheet. In your data sheet, start adding more components, insert more records, and whatever you want. And you can moreover go and create more spaces in the same account. As I told you, you have the allowance of 10 spaces per account. So let's go ahead and create just another one. So I'm just going to call this one AI and click on OK. So now we have 3 spaces. All right. And you can easily navigate through these 3 spaces however you want. Just click on the avatar in the top left and then just navigate yourself through all these spaces. Pretty incredible, right? Now, this is how easily you can scour through all of these different, you could say, project management spaces or CRM databases in a jiffy, okay? And if you want to use this for yourself, then please do make sure to check the link down in the description below to get 10% off on the pricing plans in AI Table. Now, moving on, let's also talk about how you're supposed to delete a space. All right. Now, if you want to go ahead and delete a space that you don't want to work in anymore or don't want to work with anymore, what you're going to do is you're going to go to settings. And once we go to settings over here, what you are going to be doing is you're going to stay in the overview section. All right. And in the overview section, it's going to give you a gear icon to delete the space. Now that gear icon can be found over here in overview. Just come up here, click on settings and click on delete space to delete the whole space. Now, let's say I want to delete this AI space that I just created, right? So I'm going to go right onto it. And once we come onto the AI space, what we're going to do is, as I said, go to settings, go to overview, go to settings again, and click on delete space. Confirm and delete. You're going to give them your verification code from your email. And once you do that, it will fully and properly delete your whole space. Do know this, that you cannot get a space back. Okay, that's something you will want to know before getting into this, but that's the easy part. Now, the third thing that you can do with a space is leave a space that you have joined. Obviously, the ones that you've created, you can't leave them. You're just going to delete them straight away. But let's say we have some joined spaces over here, right? So to exit a joined space, open the space list, okay? And you're going to be clicking on the 3 buttons on the right hand side that it shows you. All right, just click on this and now it's going to give you the option to leave space. So you're just going to click on this and you're automatically going to leave the space. And if you're constantly added back again, you can simply go ahead and keep on leaving again and again. And that is how easy it is when it comes to working with spaces in AI Table. Now, moreover, again, as I stated previously in the video, just go ahead and create as many spaces as you'd like, and in those spaces you can work differently with different types of data sheets, different types of templates, and different types of CRM databases. All right, so that's pretty much about it when it comes to talking about AI Table and all the spaces that it gives you. So the space feature is really fun, and it's really useful to have for a business or maybe a CRM which is on a huge scale with a lot of projects and a lot of work to do. So yeah, do let me know down in the comments how you choose to use the space feature in AI Table and how many spaces are you willing to create for your business. Till then, that's all from me.